In this video, you will learn how to create multiple email addresses in one Gmail account. Open Gmail and log in. Sign into your Gmail account. Sign into your Gmail account on your browser or the app using your credentials. Understand Gmail alias. Know that your Gmail lets you create multiple addresses using dots or the plus symbol in your email. Add dots to variations. Insert dots anywhere in your Gmail username, such as myname@gmail.com or my.name@gmail.com. They go to the same inbox. This also works using the plus sign for tags, adding the plus sign, such as this, my name plus work@gmail.com or my name plus shopping@gmail.com. Also creates a new address that will be sent to the same inbox. Share different aliases. Use these variations when signing up for websites, newsletters or work tasks. Organize with filters. Set up Gmail filters so emails sent to each alias automatically go into specific labels or folders. Now you know how to create multiple email addresses in one Gmail account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.